Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program key for 2016 Kia K2. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new key.
Now, plug in OBD communication cable. Select Demo and Remote. Here. Select from Vehicle, China. Select K2. 11 years later. Program key. Type 1. First we read the pin code. Select Read by OBD. OK. Turn on the ignition. OK. Reading pin code. Pin code reads successfully. OK. Then we program key. The ignition switch is on. Click OK. The pin code is automatically entered. OK. OK. Program successful. Program the next one. Click OK. Replace another key. Turn on the ignition. OK. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. After the key programmed successfully, choose to return. Programming remote. Note that can only program up to 4 remotes. We turn on the ignition, then turn off the ignition switch. Remove the key. Click OK. Press and hold the lock and unlock keys of the key at the same time for more than 1 second. Continue to program the next one. Click OK. The second key. Also operate in the same way. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Program the 2 remote controls successfully. Let's see if the key works. Original car key. The original car key was successfully loaded. New key. The new key landed successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. The original car key. Unlock. Lock the car. The new key unlock. Lock. Remote control is normal.
Now we have programmed key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.